In this video, I will show you how to zip and unzip a folder using the terminal in Ubuntu. This is useful when you want to compress files or extract them. Let's begin. First, open the terminal. You can press Ctrl, Alt, and T together, or you can search for Terminal in the Applications menu. Now, let's say you have a folder called My Folder in your home directory. This folder has some files that you want to compress. To create a zip file from this folder, type this command showing on the screen, then press Enter. This will make a zip file named myfolder.zip. The -r option means it will zip all files inside the folder, including subfolders. Now, let's unzip this file. To extract the contents of the zip file, type this command showing on the screen, press Enter. This will create a folder named My Folder and put all the files inside it. If you want to unzip to a different folder, you can do that too. First, type this command to create a new folder where you want to extract. Then, type this command showing on the screen. This will extract everything into the new folder. That's it. You now know how to zip and unzip a folder using the terminal in Ubuntu. Thank you for watching.